Assalamu alaikum everybody. How are you all? I hope you are all fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, we are also fine. Today, as you can see behind me, they are my student. Today I have decided I will ask them some question and let's see they will able to answer my question. They are my students. Now I am going to ask my student some question. Riyadul, stand up. What's your name?
My name is Kamruma.
What's your name?
My name is Kamruma.
How old are you?
I am 7 years old.
What's your school name?
My school name is Nursery Model School.
What's your village name?
My village name is
Halalpur.
Halalpur.
What's your country name? My country?
My country name is Bangladesh.
Okay, that's good. Sit down. Now, my dear audience, as you can see, he answered very clearly and very perfectly. Now I'm going to ask my second student. As you can see, he's my good student. Now stand up. You stand up. What's your name?
My name is Tazim.
How old are you? I am
9 years old.
Okay. You are 9 years old. What's your school name? My school name is.
Nursery Model School.
What's your village name?
My village name is
Halalpur.
Halalpur.
What's your country name?
My country name is
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
Wow, that's nice. Sit down. He answered very clearly. Lamia, stand up. What's your name?
My name is Lamia.
How old are you? I am
I am
9 years old. What's your school name? My school name is. What's your village name? My village name is. What's your country name? Sit down. Now, Raisa, stand up. What's your name? My name is Raisa. Okay. How old are you, Raisa? Okay. What's your school name? My school name is Nursery Model School. Okay. What's your village name? My village name is Chor Horipur. What's your country name? My country name is Bangladesh. Okay. You answered also clearly. Sit down. Now I'm going to ask fourth student. Maisha, stand up. What's your name? My name is Maisha. How old are you, Maisha? I am 7 years old. What's your school name? My school name is Nursery Model School. Okay, sit down, Maisha. So, my dear audience, you have just seen that my students spoke quite well. I have never taught them these things before. They are from class 2 and nursery. I believe that if any students is taught in this way, they will definitely be able to speak in English. Anyway, Alhamdulillah,